It's a video I'm doing to show you guys how to remove these from a case. Everybody keeps asking me how to get these opened up without damaging them. First, you want to take out all these. The size of these are actually T15 Torx screws. You want to get all those removed first. On the J-Tex, there's 4 in the front and there's 3 in the back. So after you get those removed, you want to get yourself a selection of screwdrivers, big to small. You don't want anything with a sharp tip on it. You want to get them, even if you have new ones, you want to take and round the tip off on them to where they're not sharp, because you can very easily damage the boards with a sharp screwdriver. And the first thing you want to do is get in. Usually one side there's a bigger gap. You want to get one corner started, get it pulled up. Don't pry it up too much because you have to get this thing straight to where it's going to reseal after you get it back together. After you get one edge started, you want to get it started up here, and you want to put pressure on it and roll at the same time. And you want to use your finger for like a guide to keep it from sliding in, because if you let this slide in, you're going to destroy the board. So get one side started like this and rolled up. After you get a good portion of it started, you get a bigger screwdriver and get that side pried open. You want to go a long ways. Like I said, make sure you don't stab it in there and destroy the board. Keep it on the outside, pried up. After you get a good amount of it started with the screwdrivers, grab it with your hand and open the rest of the way. Keep your fingers close to where the sealing is like this and open it. You never want to open it past the 45-degree mark. Because, like I said in the other videos, you take this, you open it back and forth too much, you're going to destroy it. So get it opened up to your 45-degree. That way when you go to put it back together, you can straighten it out. Always do this like on a rubber mat. Something, you don't want to keep it, something sharp or anything or heavy or metal. So keep on a rubber mat. That way you can go through and re-straighten it back with your hands. And that's how you open these. You do the same on the other side. And that is how you open them. So watching the other videos, I'll show on other repairs for you and how to work on these things. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like the videos, please. Thank you.